preserved lemons, an excellent addition to the pantry. I cut the end off because the lemon has to fit into the jar. Cut from end to end of the lemon, not all the way to the bottom so that they kind of fall apart, but they're still attached at the end. I cut them into 8 size wedges. I add a tablespoon of kosher salt to the bottom of the sterile jar. Because these lemons are pretty chubby, I need to remove a slice in order to get them to fit in the jar properly. I add another about half a tablespoon into the tomato wedges, then I squeeze it into the jar. Add another half a tablespoon to the top. Then I fill the jar with freshly squeezed lemon juice and remove any air bubbles. Then I'm going to top it off again with a little bit more lemon juice to make sure that the lemon is completely covered. Don't forget to wipe the top of the rim of the jar. And you're going to seal it with a fresh seal lid, and you can store them in the fridge for up to 6 months.